Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Enso token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Enso was founded back in 2021. Enso bring every blockchain together in a single unified network, the single point of access for all blockchain development, where developers can read, write, and interact with any smart contract on any chain from a single interaction, empowering developers to build composable applications for millions of users across Web 2 and Web 3, sourced by validators and upgraded with governance. While Web 2 boasts over 4.7 million apps, Web 3 is still emerging with just 4,700. Enso serves as a vital piece of infrastructure for the ecosystem, enabling developers to build and scale on-chain applications seamlessly. Enso token total supply is 100 million and circulating supply is around 20.59 million Enso token is listed on Binance, Bybit, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.